Students, welcome to the online class of English 2nd. We are studying Act 1, Scene 2 of the play called The Tempest, written by William Shakespeare. We are in the context where Prospero tells his past history to Miranda, his daughter, how his brother had treacherously deposed him from Milan with his 3-year-old daughter. He did it with the help of the King of Naples. Miranda wants to know how they reached to the island they are living at present. Prospero. By providence divine, some food we had and some fresh water that a noble Neapolitan, Gonzalo, out of his charity, who being then appointed master of this design, did give us with rich garments, linens, stuffs, and necessaries, which since have steaded much. So, of his gentleness, knowing I loved my books, he furnished me from mine own library with volumes that I prized above my dukedom. Here Prospero means to say that we reached here on this island by the divine providence. A Neapolitan, that is a person from Naples named Gonzalo, who was appointed with the responsibility of this task, provided them some food and water, rich clothes, and things of daily needs, which they are using till now. Out of his goodness, he also gave me my magic books, which he knew that I love it most. The books I value more than my dukedom. Miranda. Would I might but ever see that man? Miranda expresses her desire to see that gentleman. That is, she wants to see Gonzalo. Prospero. Now I arise, resumes his mantle. Sit still and hear the last of our sea sorrow. Here in this island we arrived, and here have I, thy schoolmaster, made thee more profit than other princesses can, that have more time for vainer hours and tutors not so careful. So Prospero is telling her that first of all he rises from where he was sitting and tells her their past story. And he wears again his magic coat and tells to Miranda, you sit quietly and listen the last part of our pathetic sea travel. We arrived on this island, and here I became your teacher and taught you much more than any teacher in the world who teaches the princes, for who spend their time in useless things, and teachers, they are not so careful as myself in the work of teaching. Miranda. Heavens, thank you for it, and now I pray you, sir, for still 'tis beating in my mind your reason for raising this sea storm. Miranda wholeheartedly thanks her father for being a perfect teacher and says, "Still, I have a question to ask you. Why did you create the sea storm?" Prospero, "No, thus far forth. By accident, most strange, bountiful fortune, now, my dear lady, hath mine enemies brought to this shore, and by my prescience I find my zenith doth depend upon a most auspicious star, whose influence if now I could not but omit, my fortunes will ever after droop. Here cease more questions. Thou art inclined to sleep, 'tis a good dullness, and give it way, I know thou canst not choose. Miranda sleeps. Prospero tells her, "You should not know further." That means you must know only this much. By chance, a good fortune has brought my enemies to the shore of this island, and by my foresight or knowledge of the future, this is the most perfect time I have reached the zenith or the highest point of my life. The star of my fortune is in my favor. If I don't use this opportunity and neglect it, my fortune will fall forever. Hereafter, no questioning or no more questions. You are drowsy. It is good for you to sleep. I know you have no other choice than to fall asleep. Means, by his magical power, Prospero causes Miranda to fall asleep. Now Miranda is fast asleep. "Come away, servant, come. I am ready now. Approach my Ariel, come." Prospero calls Ariel, saying, "I am ready for further action. Come, Ariel, come." With this ends the first part of this scene. Children, hope you remember, in the introduction of this scene I had told you that this is the longest scene of this drama and has got 3 parts. First one is Prospero's tale to Miranda. This particular part is over and Ariel is called by Prospero. So naturally begins the second part. So here we end. Rest we'll see in the next video. Bye children. God bless you. Hope you are understanding what I am teaching. Bye.